If you're seeing a DXF export error and your file just won't save correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple fix step by step. This is a really useful workflow if you're working in a vector program and need to export a clean DXF for CNC, laser cutting, or any other cutting software. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, select everything in your design by pressing Ctrl A. This makes sure that no object is left behind, especially if your artwork has multiple shapes, grouped elements, or hidden pieces that could cause export issues. Next, press Ctrl-Shift-G repeatedly until everything is fully ungrouped. Sometimes artwork looks like it's ready, but it's still stored in groups, and that can trigger problems during DXF export. Keep ungrouping until the objects are completely separate. Once that's done, go to the Path menu and click Object to Path. This is an important step because it converts your shapes into paths that are easier for the DXF format to understand. If you skip this, some objects may not export correctly or may appear broken in the final file. Now open the Fill and Stroke panel. Here, remove the fill completely and keep only the stroke. For many DXF workflows, especially when sending files to cutting software, fills are unnecessary and can actually create export confusion. Keeping the stroke only helps ensure the lines are interpreted properly. After that, go to File, then choose Save As. When the Save dialog opens, select Desktop Cutting Plotter DXF as the file type. This export option is specifically designed for cutting and plotter workflows, so it's usually the safest choice when you need a clean DXF output. Before you save, make sure LWPOLYLINE is enabled. This setting is very important because it creates more compatible line data for many CAD and cutting programs. If this option is turned off, your DXF may not open properly in the software you're using. Then set the units to millimeters. Using the correct units helps avoid scaling problems after export, which is one of the most common reasons a DXF file appears wrong when imported elsewhere. Millimeters are the standard choice for most cutting and fabrication workflows, so this is usually the best setting. Now click Save, and your DXF file should export without the error. If everything was done correctly, the file should now be clean, ungrouped, converted to paths, and ready to use in your target software. If the export still gives you trouble, go back and double check the design for hidden groups, unsupported objects, or any shapes that still need to be converted to paths. In most cases though, following these exact steps will fix the issue. So to quickly recap, select all, ungroup everything, convert objects to paths, remove the fill, keep the stroke, save as Desktop Cutting Plotter DXF, enable LWPOLYLINE, and set the units to millimeters. That's the full fix for the DXF export error. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.